Welcome, Bravo doers. Buckle up for this world journey as we explore accounting together. I'm Dr. Abdul Ghani. I'm a Odoo business analyst and also an accounting expert in our consulting organization. A great amount of employees' time is spent handling and counting activities. Thanks to Odoo, we have the opportunity to keep all accounting transactions and documents in the same place, which allows us to save a lot of time and avoid mistakes. With other accounting, we can be much more efficient thanks to all the functionalities available in the software. In addition, there are a lot of integrations with the other apps like sales or inventory, which is even easier for us to get the right information from the other departments. This course will cover essential notions and configurations to help you set up your accounting in order. Make sure your accounting app is ready to go live are based on 3 pillars: the chart of accounts, the journals, and the taxes. If you have those 3 things properly configured, you are ready to go for your first invoices. Please note, though, that we can have additional configurations to make based on the other apps you might have. In your database, let's have a look at what accounting looks like in our Pincus database. So here we are in Audio Database. Let's go in the accounting application to see how it's constructed. So here you arrive first in the accounting dashboard, and you already have some information available for you. So we are in the Kanban view. So each box here represents a journal in your accounting, and above all, we have also the onboarding within Wizard available to help you out to set up your accounting application. So how come you already have some journals and some information in your accounting app without having set up any configuration well? That's because when you create your database and you have chosen your country, Odoo will install the accounting localization package related to that country to access it. You need to go in the configuration menu and in the settings to know which localization package was uploaded. So here the first setup is for the fiscal localization, and as you can see here, my package is the Belgian one. Since I'm in a Belgian company, you can decide to install more packages if you want. For example, if you are in a multi-company environment and you have companies from different countries, you might need to, of course, upload a new package. Please note that this feature will disappear if you have any journal entry created in the system. Even in draft, it will disappear. So make sure you have the right localization ready before you go live with your accounting. Now let's go back to the dashboard to see how it's built. So as I was saying, we have also here our different journals, and you can see the different types super easily. So we have access to our customer invoices, to our vendor bill, to our bank statements. So all in one place through the onboarding wizard. You have to configure all those before being ready to go live. So first, or do we want you to set up your accounting period? So make sure that the audio needs to know the last day of your fiscal year. You have also the possibility to update your chart of accounts. So from here, you have access to the chart of accounts from the localization that was uploaded, and you can change super easily, as you can see, like a fiscal year. You can change whatever you want, change the names, change the code, like this super easily, and save all you want. And if you come by to the dashboard, of course, here it will be validated. Also have the taxes and the bank account that you can synchronize. All those steps have been explained in other videos in the e-learning. So don't hesitate to check those out to make sure that you don't miss any configuration. Another thing that the localization will upload is also legal reporting from your country. So here, for example, here in Belgium, we have dedicated reports. But for countries for which we don't have enough information in the legal repos, we also have generic statements for the balance sheet, for the profit and loss, and so on. So even if the localization package is not complete, we'll have legal reports available for you in the system. If you want to know more about accounting in general, if you want to be able to understand accounting requirements and translate those into a dual, basically, If you want to handle your accounting implementation from A to Z, then you've come to the right place. This course is made for you. The Smart class is structured as follows. First, we'll see together the Accounting 107, which is basically the business knowledge of accounting, so we'll set together the different roles revolving around the accounting department, the different accounting concepts in order to understand your clients' requirements and translate those in Odoo. And then we'll jump in and do directly and see together the basic features that need to be set up in order to be live in your accounting application. And lastly, we'll see together the advanced features of accounting in this Smart class. We'll try to focus on 3 different topics. The first being the best practice we want to bring our experience as other accounting specialists in this Smart class next to the do's and don't, so what you need to pay attention to when you implement the accounting application, and lastly our clients' most frequently asked question. In order to get you real-life use cases and be able to relate to them at the end of the Smart class, you'll be able to understand the basic principle of the accounting business knowledge. Understand the different jobs involved around accounting. Manage a basic accounting implementation from A to Z. Manage the base master basic features of the accounting application. Manage incoming and outgoing documents related to accounting. Master the advanced features of the accounting application. That's all for me in this video. Thank you for watching.